Hey guys, today's video is another in the My Life series. It specifically deals with some of my daily tasks that I do, how I get in and out of bed. If you want to see more videos with content like this, be sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like it. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoy it. But let's jump right into it, and we'll see how things go and what I have to do each day. Alright guys, today's video is going to be how I do some of the simple daily tasks. One of the questions and one of the thoughts people have had is like, how do I get out of my wheelchair and into the bed? The way I have to get in and out of bed is I use a device called the Hoyer lift, and what you see here is what the Hoyer lift looks like. It has 4 hooks, and in the next section you'll see what I have to use and how I do it. I have this mat that I place under my legs. You see my wife putting the mat up under my legs, and it has these straps on it. Once she has the straps in position, she's going to get them all up under my legs evenly and smooth. She'll cross them. Then I have to wheel over to the Hoyer lift, just like this right here. I get up under it, and you notice there's different colored hooks. There's a yellow and a black and another yellow. In the back, the yellow ones hook up. And you can see right here, she's getting ready to place the straps onto the hooks. She's going to hook one there. She's going to hook one on the other side. That way, make sure it's nice and secure. And then in the front, once I hook the front ones up, you're going to hook the front ones up in the front hooks. And then you press the button and raise me up in the air. And I'm basically in a swing, I guess you could say, guys. Then she pushes the Hoyer lift over to the bed, and I'm basically swinging in the air right now, guys. So it's really safe, so nothing to worry about. I do this every single day. She pushes me over there, gets me in position over the bed, and here I am in position. She presses the button, begins to lower it down, and I'll slowly lower down onto the bed. Once I'm flat, I just take the straps out from under up under me, and I'm laying flat in the bed. And as you can see, there's Moxie. She's already laying in the bed herself. She's waiting on me. And that's pretty much how I get in and out of bed every single day. Pretty simple. Doesn't take a whole lot of time. And there's Moxie saying goodnight, everybody. And we'll see you later.